if you're a musician, producer, singer, rapper, this video is for you. So like, if you're like, I'm making all this music and you're like, I want to make some money or even a possible living off of your music, I have something for you that not a lot of people know about, and it's called Fiverr. Now, what Fiverr is a bunch of people have their service, their talents, their hobbies that they do, and they charge to do that service for other people. So, for example, I'm on Fiverr. I do music as a hobby. I rap and I sing. I make beats, and I've been doing it for a long time. But only way I was getting paid for my music was from streaming services, and that doesn't pay a lot. But if you want to set your own price and you want to rap for people and they order like, hey, I need you to record this verse that I wrote for me and I'll pay you whatever price you say, that is a way that you can get paid. Sometimes you can write even original songs for people with your own bars, your own ideas and things like that. But from my experience, what I'm having right now is people are paying me to do cover songs of other rappers. So like, I have one that I'm talking to right now. They want me to do a cover of a song by T-Pain and Neo. So they want me to sing the song and do Neo's part and T-Pain's part, and then send my vocals over, and they're gonna mix it. And they want it for that. I don't know why, but they want that, and they want to charge. And then I'm probably gonna charge them like $40 for that. And then I have another person that wants me to do a A$AP Rocky song called Fashion Killer. And we're talking right now about, what exactly he wants done. And I'm thinking about what I'm going to charge for that. Now, you can charge whatever you want for your service, of course. But what I learned from doing this is you want to get some ratings first. So you probably want to have your pricing not super cheap, but not like the top people making money, because people don't know who you are and they don't know if you provide a great service. So if you have a home studio at your house and you're able to record yourself and you know how to send the stems of the vocals that you recorded, this is the place for you, as long as you know how to record yourself. I mean, you could go to a studio, but it's not worth it. It's better to just record yourself with your home studio and whatnot, and then be able to send the stems. So if this sounds like you, where you have a home studio, you're able to record yourself, you just need some extra money, you can start building a solid income from Fiverr. There's even people that make their whole livelihood off of Fiverr, just recording songs for other people. So this is a possibility for you to be making songs or making beats for people, custom beats, whatever your talent is, and actually charge what you want for that service, versus just putting your music out into the ether and not getting anything back, or if you're getting anything back, it's just pennies in return. So if this is you, check Fiverr out. No, this is not an ad. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not sponsored by Fiverr. But this is something that I'm recently, like literally just looking at my messages, and I was like, this is something I have never talked about. And being someone that makes music in their pastime, if I would have known about it earlier, like when I was in my teens, I don't even know if it was out when I was in my teens, but that would have just been something cool to do with my friends, like, hey, we have a song we have to do, let's make some money, and then build on top of what we're already doing with studio time and that could have been like just extra money coming in. So yeah, if you're young, old, middle, whatever, Fiverr has a place for you to make music and get paid. So check out Fiverr.com, sign up on your account, get your ratings up first, and then once you have good enough ratings, you can start changing your prices to go higher and higher, and get your money, get your money. Real quick video, I just want to tap in and say that I will see you guys tomorrow. If you saw any value in this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys, and yeah, we are out. See you tomorrow.